Module Overview. Module 2 is a comprehensive and analytical exploration of the various platforms available to artists who want to sell their artwork online. It dissects the landscape of digital art selling platforms, comparing functionalities, costs, scalability, marketing capabilities, audience reach, and technological integration. In this module, you will be guided step by step through the process of evaluating and selecting the platform that best aligns with their artistic brand, business goals, technical skill set, and target audience. The module emphasizes strategic decision-making in platform selection, warning against the common pitfalls of choosing platforms based solely on trends or peer preference. We examine self-hosted versus hosted platforms, third-party marketplaces versus independent stores, and hybrids. By the end, artists will possess the evaluative tools to choose not just a place to sell, but a foundation to build a lasting online art business. Key learning objectives. By completing this module, you will understand the core differences between various platform categories, hosted, self-hosted, marketplaces, and hybrids. Analyze the technical, financial, and branding implications of platform choices. Assess the advantages and limitations of major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Big Cartel, and others. Match their artistic goals with appropriate e-commerce technology and audience reach. Plan for integration with payment gateways, shipping systems, SEO tools, and marketing plugins. Platform categories and their characteristics. Hosted platforms, e.g., Shopify, Big Cartel, Wix e-commerce, self-hosted platforms, e.g., WooCommerce, WordPress, Magento third-party marketplaces, e.g., Etsy, Saatchi Art, Redbubble hybrid solutions, e.g., selling on Etsy with a connected Shopify backend pros and cons in terms of design control, scalability, fees, and branding. Cost breakdown and hidden fees. Monthly platform fees, transaction fees, listing fees, and commission rates, cost of premium apps plugins, payment processor charges, Stripe, PayPal, etc., maintenance and hosting for self-hosted solutions. Customization and branding control. Design flexibility, themes, templates, drag and drop builders, custom domain names, and branded checkouts. Visual identity, fonts, colors, layouts, image resolution, limitations of third-party platforms like Etsy, e.g., no branded checkout.
Technical complexity and user experience, user-friendliness for non-coders, back-end management inventory, shipping, analytics, mobile responsiveness, and loading speed, tech support availability, online selling models for artists, third-party marketplaces, Etsy, Saatchi Art, Redbubble, print-on-demand partnerships, Society6, Fine Art America, owning your e-commerce store, Shopify, WooCommerce, Big Cartel, hybrid strategies for income diversification. Benefits and challenges of selling online. Accessibility to global markets, direct relationships with customers, issues of oversaturation, underpricing, copyright theft, managing visibility and scaling efficiently, data and industry insights. The global online art market reached $13.3 billion in 2023, according to Art Basel and UBS. 42% of art buyers under age 40 prefer to buy art online rather than in person. Average purchase value online for artwork is steadily rising, indicating growing trust in digital art transactions. Mobile traffic constitutes over 60% of visitors to online art stores and platforms. NFTs represented 7% of the online art market in 2023, down from 11% in 2021, reflecting market maturation. Common myths debunked. No one buys expensive art online. False. Works over $10,000 are being purchased online more frequently due to increased buyer confidence and remote verification methods. Social media is all I need to sell my art. False. While social media helps with visibility, it lacks the structured commerce tools, analytics, and customer tracking features of a proper store. You must be famous to sell art online. False. Consistent branding, professionalism, and targeted marketing often outperform fame when it comes to building revenue online. Module Outcome. By completing this module, you will have a macro and micro level understanding of the online art landscape. They will be able to critically assess where they fit, what opportunities are most aligned with their goals, and why building a personal art store is a long-term brand-building strategy over relying solely on third-party platforms.